So hi everyone, in this video we will be going to learn ATR, which is average to range. But before that, I hope everyone knows how to install data from Finance. And for this video we will be going to take Vanguard as our data. And if you have not seen how to get the data and how to find RSI or Bollinger Bands, that is already covered in previous video, you can see that. And let us move to ATR. So ATR is average to range, which tells us the certain range the market can move in, and that is not definitive, but you can get a little idea or a clear idea of market can move that certain distance, upside or downside. It won't tell you the direction, but with ATR you can get indication like this much is market is this much volatile and it can move this much up or down. Okay, and this was invented by J. Wallace Wilder. And make sure to remember this: ATR measures volatility and not direction. So uh, while finding ATR, there is two things that we have to give. First is data of high, low, and close for a certain period, and also period here depends on the type of trader you are, and also period here doesn't mean high, low, close. It depends. It it is candles. If you are taking period as 14, it is 14 candles. But it also depends on the data that you take. You can take data of years and then put 14 period, then it's the same that you are taking. Okay, for the whole year's data. So the formula for ATR is here. This complex formula, it may look complex, but I will simplify it. Take it as three parts. First, high minus low for that period, and high of that period minus previous close of from the current candle. Okay, and low of that period minus previous close from the current candle that we are on. Okay, so after that we will divide it or take an average from the period that we are taking, and we will get our ATR, which will tell us that yeah, the market ahead can move this much after seeing the past data. Okay, and this is an example for you to understand. Let's say high is this 105, 100 low, and previous close is 102. So high minus low, high minus previous close, and low minus previous close. So this is the one value that we get. But for 14 candles we have to find different TR, because for every candle that we are on, our previous close will change, uh, right? So the values may differ for everything, and after that you have to take an average of 14 days. From that you will get your average true range, from which you can decide that yeah, market can move this much, and you can according to that use it to your advantage. And how you can use it, let us see in practical application. So the first thing, that the basic things, yeah, you will get to know the volatility. Yeah, market can move this much. This much is it is volatile. High ATR means market is volatile. Low ATR means market is now quiet, and you just have to sit and wait for a good breakout. Yeah, and you can also use it for your stop losses. This is the major thing that everyone uses ATR for. Like you can give, this is a formula, make sure you remember it: entry price plus or minus, depending on if you it is in stop loss, it will be minus. If you have to put it at your gains, it will plus. So K into ATR that you found into K. So K here is basically already defined value. You can take it as 2. Most of the traders take it as 2. Double of ATR plus minus entry price, it will be your stop loss to take your gains or exit with your loss. Okay, so if you have to put your stop loss, you, let's say you bought a stock at 100. So 100 minus 2 into 2.5, which will be $95. So you won't take any loss greater less than 95. You will stop at 95 only. That's it. Okay, you can detect breakouts with it. If there is a sudden spike in ATR, it indicates that a major volatile market is going to come and new trend is forming. Okay, and ATR channels, upper band, lower band. So Bollinger Band alone may not be the perfect thing to use, because it is obviously not. So using ATR and Bollinger Bands and other technical indicators together may give you a more suitable and reliable indication that you can rely on instead of just using one indicator through which you may incur a loss. Okay. ATR trailing stop. So the previous stop loss that we saw is you put a stop loss and it will be there only. But trailing stop is a dynamic stop loss that follows your profits. Right? If the market is moving upwards, your stop loss will move with it. As you define it as the percentage of loss that you will take, not more than that, not less than that. Okay. And ATRS filter, yeah, not important. This is a summary that for which things we can use ATR for. The important things I will tell you: volatility gauge, stop loss, and to find breakouts and trailing stop also. And ATR tells you how wide the market may move, but not the actual direction of where it will go. So make sure you remember it and use it with other trend indicators that may tell you that yeah, trend is upwards or downwards. With ATR, that market may move this much. So you will get, yeah, it can move this much downwards or upwards. So let us code it. Period will be a 14 that we are going to take. There will be high, low, and close. Okay, so close here is normal close data. CLOS, close data. Here it will be low, high will be R high. Make sure you type proper name from your data that you will get from Y Finance, and we will file TR1, TR2, and TR3. So TR1, TR2, TR3 is here. The formula that we saw of ATR, we are dividing it into three parts. Right. First, we will find high minus low. Then we will find high minus close, previous day's close, shift, and TR3 is low minus previous day's close. Okay. And now we will find max of it. Okay. After that, we will find the average and ATR. So PD dot concat TR1, TR2, TR3 axis 1 dot max axis 1. So here we will get the max out of our formula, and then we will find its ATR, which is TR dot rolling. So rolling is here taking mean for that certain period. So here we have to put our period in window and then find mean. Okay, this is a perfect, and then return ATR. Till here we have found our ATR. Now let us put this data in our actual data set that we got from Y Finance. So data ATR, and here we will call our function ATR and put data in it. This data is the data that we got from Y Finance, and we have saved it as name data only. So then data dot drop NA. Now we will run it. Yeah, this is our ATR, and now let us plot it so you can see how actually it will look like. Data. Make sure to put the proper name of the column. ATR dot plot. Title you can give it anything. For here we will type ATR only. So this is the ATR of Vanguard from 2018 to 2025. As you can see, it will tell you how much the market can move. Till here, this is 6.5 maybe, and this is the greatest movement. It, as you can see, this was the corona time. So even if the ATR shows that the volatility or the range the market can move in is 50, but this doesn't mean that it will move upwards. This was a huge downward movement during the corona time in Vanguard. So this tells you the range. Yeah, market can move this much, but it won't tell you downwards or upwards. So you have to use trend indicators or market news and other things to define that. Okay, to find out that. So here, as you can see, during the corona time we got this, and this near 2025 there was a huge upward movement in Vanguard. So this indicates that. So this is it for this video. If you like this video, press the like button and share it with your friends who may want to learn quant finance and technical indicators like this, and also subscribe to the Algorithmic Forge. Thank you.